Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to auto delete Google activity on Google account. If you're using any Google account and you want to auto delete your Google activity, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just select your Google account. And here, just click on your Google account or your profile photo here. Just click on manage your Google account. And here, just select data and privacy option. So under this section, you might see the option of web and app activity. Just select this option and just scroll down and you will see the option of deleting activity older than 18 months or the option you have selected here. So you just have to select deleting activity older than. So here just select the option you have selected and just select the minimum option if you want to. I'm gonna select the 3 months here and then click on next and just click on confirm. So now you have successfully enabled your auto delete. So it will automatically delete your 3 months older activity of your Google account. You can also do the same setting for your YouTube. Just go to Google account here, go to data and privacy again, and just look for YouTube history here. Just select this option here and just select auto delete. Select the option and just select the minimum range if you want to. You can also select maximum range. I'm going to select minimum range here. Just click on next and then confirm this. So in this way you can easily enable auto delete activity on your Google account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.